Hello, Concord staff. This is Adam here. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up and create your new class page for the 2019-20 school year. That way you are able to set up your class course information and are able to easily push this out to your students for the school year. To be able to do those things, you will want to come on down to Quick Links and you will select Learning My Classes. Afterwards, you want to make sure that you're in the school year for 2019 and come on over and click on the new class. Here you will want to type in your new class name for the year. And if you so choose, you can type in a short summary. And I'm going to keep all the settings there and click on next. Here I don't need to do anything else, so I'm going to finish and it will take me to my class page. I know the first thing that a lot of you will be itching to do is to redesign and set up your theme. To do that, you will want to come to the gear icon for Manage Class. You'll select that, come on down to Edit Theme. And then here, I would recommend to click on Create Theme. Go and give it a title. That way then, if you start creating a theme and have to leave, you can save it and then you can come back and do that later. So you're going to click Create. Give that a couple seconds for it to load up. And then here you can go through the different categories. So here you're in general, then you can set up your header the way that you want. You get your background information and the appearance. So you can do all of those things. And when you're finished, you'll just want to select Save. In Unified Classroom kind of takes its time. All right, so here we are. So the first thing that I like to do for my class is I like to create a welcome page since I teach third grade. To do that, to give it a new title, is I'm just going to type in welcome. And here then it will synchronize that for me. And then here is what you'll notice that I'm going to have a welcome page. And then if I want to have like all of my other courses underneath, since I teach math, reading, writing, we do a little bit of social studies or Leader in Me, I can add sub pages to that. To do that, I'm just going to click Add Page, give it a new title. And then you can do it as a sub page of welcome, which I like to do. And I'm going to click Page, Save. And here we go. You will notice that there's like a little target that is unpublished. So that way anything that you add and do is not unpublished. The students will not be able to view any of those things, but you'll notice that this target is kind of lit up. So anything, since that is, it's published. So anything that you start and create, parents or students are going to be able to view those things. All right. So if you want to come on down to this gear icon for Manage Page, you can set up your page settings, the way your layout looks. I like the traditional 2 where it's a little wider to the left and then got a little skin column. So I'm going to select that. So I'll change my view. Then come on back over here. You can add your content blocks from this point here, or you can easily just hit the blue plus right here and you can add your content. So you have multiple different things. You have your content like adding text to the page, web links, images. You can embed the web here, YouTube's. That's under this tab. Under this tab is you have a calendar, so you can add in a mini calendar if you so choose. So I'll just do that. I'm going to title it calendar. I don't need the title there since it's pretty obvious about what it is. I'm going to go and select Save. And boom, there it is added for me. So anything that I save, it's important information for there. Okay, and then I'm going to add another content block. So you got your messages and or activities. So you have those options, but I'm going to come back over here and I'm just going to do a basic text option. And by default, you are required to give your title block a title, but you don't always have to show it. So I'm just going to hide it. And then down here, you can type in what you would like to have shown. So you got your normal. This is kind of like what your text would kind of look like. You can change the font size. You can change how the font looks with the style and so forth. So I'm just going to center it. Welcome, students. So glad you are here. Let me fix this really quick. I'm done, I'm just going to come on down here to the blue icon and click OK. And here it added it, and you're able to drag and move to the blocks about where you would so like it to be. And there you go. To be able to make this math class active or published, all you have to do is click on the target, and you can click Publish Now. You can publish it on a certain date and give it a time, or you can also set restrictions about when this class is viewable for your students as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish it now. And the final thing I'd like to show you is how you can merge this to your current class the way that you've already set that up. So all you need to do is come on down to Merge Classes. So the way that you like this, your class page set up. Make sure that you're in the correct year, and then you can select the course that you would like to merge this content that you have set up, so that way all of your students have full access and content. So you were able to do it right within there. Hopefully this tutorial has been beneficial and helpful. Hopefully you all have a terrific school year.